EV charging today is frustrating. Too many mobile apps to download, complicated charger connection steps, and even you need to pay unnecessary monthly fee for your apartment parking chargers. Hi, I am Victor Mukherjee, co-founder and CEO of iPark by Digi Energia Oy. At iPark, we make charging simple and secure. No need to download another mobile app, no need for any monthly subscriptions. Just scan a QR code or tap with NFC and start charging. Our AI-powered system predicts maintenance needs before failure happens, ensuring less downtime, fewer breakdowns, and a seamless charging experience every time. For housing associations and businesses, we take care everything from procuring the chargers, site inspections, installations, maintenance, and providing digital management platform so they can offer EV charging experience without any hassle. We are already running our pilot projects in Finland and scaling fast. If you want effortless, secure, and hassle-free EV charging, iPark has got you covered. Let's make together EV charging easy.